Welcome to CADDology. This drawing is shared on Telegram on CADDology channel. Let's start. Click on New and then OK. Go for the sketch and then firstly I show all the axes. Sketch and select plane and then OK. Switch to normal view. Make a rectangle. By 96 and 64. And go for the extrude command. Select sketch and value is 16 mm and then OK. Select top face as a sketch plane. Make a rectangle 16 by 64 mm. Extrude it 48 mm and then OK. Select round and select edge and the value is 32 mm and then OK. Select top face as a sketch plane and make a rectangle of 42 by 40 mm. And the extrude value is 28 mm and then OK. Select front face as a sketch plane and make a circle on center. So for finding the center, I'm create a line. Make a circle of diameter 24 mm. And then OK. Go for the extrude command and pull back and select remove material and select top face as a sketch plane and then make a rectangle of 16 by 20 mm and distance from the side is 16 mm and make a circle and trim entities and then OK. Go for the extrude command, select remove material and pull downward. Select side face as a sketch plane. Make a line from edge to edge and then OK. Again go for the extrude command and then the value is 12 mm and OK. Our drawing is finished now.